am Piyush Bhatnagar, and this is the GitHub repository for my project alarm clock, and this is the hosted link for the alarm clock. As you can see, here's the title, and this is the clock face, which is showing the real time, and this is the form where we can set the alarm. We can select the hour, we can select the minute and second, and the AM PM type, and we can set the alarm. Let's see the example. Suppose we take 8 hour 22 minutes and 20 seconds, and let's set in PM and set alarm. And when the alarm goes off, and the browser will alert us. Okay, now let's see the code. So this is the HTML file for the code. Here first I have put all this in a container, then the title, and here we are showing the real-time data, and this is the form for setting the alarm. This is the CSS, and this is the JavaScript that I'm. Thank you for seeing.